Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a useful functionality if you are a content creator. So there are two types of content creators now. That is one who shows the face and one who doesn't shows the face. So that is known as faceless channels. So if you are using your face and coming in videos and producing videos, then there is a good chance that your content can be stolen and they would have published it in different channels. They will download the content from YouTube and upload it in another channels. Or in worst cases, they might use your photo to create AI generated content and put it in another channels. So I have seen this happening with many popular people like Sadhguru, where people have taken his voice and used AI to create deepfakes and says and give speeches that he never said. So this is dangerous. So to combat this, YouTube has launched this functionality some time back, but I have seen not many people have started using it. So it is known as content detection. So you can come to your YouTube studio. Within the YouTube studio, on the left hand side, that is here, if you see, you will see content detection. Within the content detection, you can click on something known as likeness beta. So here you will see all the copyright detections, and here you will see all the likeness detection. So you can start protecting how you appear in the videos. You can review the content where your likeness may be altered or made with AI and decide what action to take. Okay, you click on start now. So you can start protecting how you appear in videos across YouTube. The first step is to agree the YouTube to use your biometric technology to look for your likeness. That means it will record your photo, that is the photo of the face. So whoever owns the channel and makes the videos, their photo has to be recorded. So your permission is needed before they can search for your likeness on YouTube. So the second step is take a photo of your ID and record a brief video of your face. So that means even though you have started a YouTube channel, that doesn't mean that you might be the rightful owner of your face. So to confirm that, you need to put your ID, a government issued ID, whether it can be passport, election ID, or it could be Aadhaar card. So this is used as a reference for your likeness. It is also used to verify your identity and keep it safe. So once you submit this, the reviewing can take up to 5 days. Then you can check your email linked with your YouTube account. So I can go here and say continue. So here it mentions what is this likeness detection. So they are mentioning it as likeness detection cells protect your likeness from being used in videos in a way that violates your sense of privacy or safety. So if you consent, we will use face and voice templates to find your likeness across the platform. So that is across millions of videos. To get access, you first need to complete a Google identity verification process. This helps us prevent fraudulent and abusive use of likeness detection. So if you so they are asking for identity because they don't want other people to claim that you are the rightful owner of a face and make claims on actual YouTubers. So that's the reason they are asking for this. To take a photo of your government issued ID, record a brief video of your face. So in terms of data processing, they'll create face and voice template using a brief video of your face. You'll be asked to provide during the verification process. So these will be used to detect when your likeness is being used in altered or synthetic content on YouTube videos. Okay, so once you say agree and continue, then it will go to the next stage, that is the verification stage, and you can register for it. So I hope this information is useful, and thank you very much. So once you have registered for it, then once they have identified likeness content, it will show up like this. You see this, your videos, if they are synthetically altered and used in other videos, then you can review it. Then you can ask to take it down, or if there is something that can be done, you can take action against it. Thank you very much.